The individuals who worth calm allure and connecting with driving elements will feel impeccably at ease in the driver's seat of the appealingly slick and astonishingly spry Alfa Romeo Stelvio hybrid. Its even frame is supplemented by a strong Super-4 that fights at a surprisingly high-level class, conveying power conveyance more like a strong V6. A fast 8-speed transmission supplements the motor with smooth beginning and fast moving. Back tire drive is standard for the base run model, while any remaining trims are all-wheel drive. We value the Stelvio's plan and execution, yet observed its extravagance and utility to fairly need. Lodge materials don't passage very much, contrasted with rivals like the more reasonable beginning GV70, and the 8.8-inch infotainment screen additionally looks obsolete. The secondary lounge is a piece squeezed and freight space is restricted. The BMW X3 offers 10 additional cubic feet of room behind the back seats. Albeit the Stelvio falls behind its opponents with regards to common sense, still worth considering for clients value lively Italian style. 2024, the Stelvio will include another 12.3-inch advanced instrument group that can be acclimated to 3 distinct arrangements: developed, unwind, and legacy. Alfa has made slight changes in accordance with the front, including repositioning the logo and modifications to the 2 lower air pipes. The Italian hybrid additionally includes new headlights with Drove Grid innovation and 3+3 highlight lights, giving the Stelvio a similar lighting signature as the new, more modest Tonale. The taillights have additionally been refreshed with reworked Drove components. Alfa has likewise added another reach-besting model, the Competizione, outfitted with sleeker inside decorations, selective matte evening glow-dim paint, and the racier Quadrifoglio model's versatile suspension framework. Like the Giulia, the Stelvio offers a sharp inside and a happy with driving position. Sportier models might have carbon fiber trim, yet those searching for a more sumptuous look might incline toward wood trim. The strong front seats are upholstered in cowhide, and delightful aluminum highlights decorate the dashboard, entryways, and mid-control area. The Stelvio's Italian case has some helpful stockpiling stunts, yet with little freight space behind the back seat, it's not the roomiest hybrid of the bundle. Albeit the Alfa's different compartments have just normal amounts, we valued the helpful cell phone opening between the cup holders and the plate close to the driver's left knee. There is likewise a sharp, removable plate under the mid-control area.